Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Justine. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Today I am doing a full face of only Tarte products. So if you wanted to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Also, everything will be in the description box below. And if I did a video on any of these products, I'll go ahead and link it down below as well. So without further ado, here we go. Start off with using my Tarte's Poreless Mattifying Primer, and I'm going to put about a pea-size amount all over my face. Next, I'm taking Clean Slate 360 Creaseless Eye Primer, and I'm going to put that all over my lids. Then I'm taking Rainforest of the Sea. This is the water foundation in Fair Light Sand. I'm putting a few drops on my hand and then blending it out with my beauty blender. Then I'm taking my Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the color Light Medium Honey, and I'm putting it underneath my eyes and also concealing some spots around my face. And then I blend it out with a beauty blender. And I finish blending with my fingers. And coffee break with my Suavecita coffee mug. I love that mug. Next, I'm taking the Smooth Operator. This is the finishing powder and a Real Techniques powder brush. I'm taking Tarte's Volumizing brow powder. That's in black brown with a It Cosmetics 4-in-1 superhero brush. I'm using the angled side here to create my brow. Next, I'm taking Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen palette, and I'm going to use all of the face shades in here. I'm first taking Sweet Tea, which is the bronze shade, with the Real Techniques contour brush. Then I used a Crown contour brush to kind of blend out that color because I felt it was a little too harsh. So I'm just blending up. And I'm going around the nose with Wet n Wild's shadow brush. Next, I'm taking an e.l.f. blush brush and the blush shade in here, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my cheeks. It's called Does This Thing Really Work? Is the blush color. Next, I'm taking my Wet n Wild highlight brush in Gator Wings. It's the highlight shade. And I always put the rest of it over my brows and underneath my brows. Next, I'm taking the palette in a cream shade. This color is called Big Baby. And then I used Natural Peaches as a transition shade. More of like an orange cream type of shade. Next, I'm using an Eco Tools dual-ended brush. I'm using the angled side here to put that color underneath my eye, the Natural Peaches color. Then I go back into Big Baby, the cream shade, and use my finger to go on my lid, but I felt it wasn't enough, so I went into the Tarte Tease palette, and I'm using Wink and Whisper on my lid. And then I go into Heartbreaker, which is that brown color, and an e.l.f. crease brush. And I'm just going on the outer corner with that darker brown, kind of define the eyes a little bit more. And I'm just blending that out with Superhero 4-in-1. Then I'm packing on again the color Wink and Whisper from the Tarte Tease palette and just kind of blending everything, kind of go back and forth. Then I'm using the e.l.f. crease brush and the highlight shade in my inner ducts. Next I'm using Tarte's Tartiest clay paint liner, and it kind of squirted everywhere all over my vanity. And a brush came with it, so I'm utilizing the brush that came with the clay paint liner. This brush is amazing. It helps you to get a really, really precise line. I really enjoy this brush and both of them together. I really love this liner. It lasts all day. I have hooded lids and it has been wonderful. So if you're looking for a new gel type of liner, I really encourage you to try this one out. This one is actually the travel size that I'm using, and it wasn't too expensive on Tarte's website, so go online, check it out. I definitely recommend it. And I always clean up my lines with a makeup remover cloth type of thing. This one's from Kirkland. It's the Costco brand. So good. Next, I'm curling my lashes with the Mermaid edition. This one is a limited edition they just came out with. Then I am going to coat my lashes in the Lash Paint mascara. This one's one of my favorites. Then I'm taking Rainforest of the Sea. This is the Marine Boosting Mist, and I'm going to set my face with that. The stuff smells really, really good too. It's very hydrating. Lastly, I'm going to take Lip Surgeance in the color Wonder. This one's my favorite color and it smells like peppermint. These lip creams are so ultra hydrating. This is my favorite summer go-to lip cream. Alright guys, so that completes my full face of Tarte products. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and we will see you in the next video.